In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best Springform pan. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. Daddio's Aluminum Springform. This classic silver-colored Springform pan with a durable non-reactive surface has a lot going for it. Made for professional bakers, the anodized aluminum performs exceptionally well, as the aluminum brings the product quickly to baking temperatures and maintains even heating throughout. The unique design of the wide base bottom has been created to be leak-proof, as well as offer an easy release. The anodized coating contains no chemical additives, dyes, CFCs, PTFEs, or PFOAs, so you can bake with the confidence that harmful elements aren't flaking off into your food. While we find the 10-inch to be a versatile, mid-size option, Daddio's offers the Springform pan in both smaller and larger options as well. Number 6. Anolon Advanced Square Springform. With a carbon steel construction, this pan brings the ease of a Springform pan to a new shape, square. With the Anolon Advanced Square Springform dessert pan, you can make cheesecakes or other baked goods, as well as classic icebox cakes with ease. The size is 3.4 x 10.9 x 10.9 inches, and the weight is 2.6 pounds, making this the strongest constructed pan on our list. It's not just sturdy, though. The soft gray finish detail looks sleek, and with slip-free SureGrip trademark handles, it's comfortable and easy to take in and out of the oven. It comes with a lifetime limited warranty, but note that it is hand wash only. Number 5. Wilton 4-inch Nonstick Mini. The Wilton 4-inch Mini Springform pan is the perfect size to create personalized desserts. Made of classic, heavy-duty steel with a black nonstick coating, these no-fuss, no-muss specialty pans come with the Wilton brand name quality behind them, and a 10-year limited warranty. Available as a 3-piece set or individually, depending on the retailer, they're inexpensive enough to buy several, so you can whip up mini quiches for a luncheon or personalized desserts for a special occasion. They're also dishwasher safe, adding to their convenience. Number 4. Instant Pot Official Springform Pan. Fans of Instant Pot, your favorite kitchen gadget just got even more versatile. With this Springform pan, you can use your Instant Pot to make cheesecakes, as well as other desserts, and even savory dishes like lasagna or macaroni and cheese. With an 8 3/10 cup capacity, the size is great for making a quick homemade dessert for small families. It's made of aluminized carbon steel with a BPA-free non-stick surface, and can also be used more traditionally in the oven, oven-safe to 450 degrees, if desired. Number 3. Kaiser Crystal Glass Bottom. The German Kaiser company is known for high-quality, unique products, and if you're looking for an easier way to display your large cheesecakes straight out of the oven, this glass-bottomed Springform pan does the trick. There's no need to remove the base pan when serving because it's made of a solid, clear glass to showcase your masterpiece and act as a beautiful serving piece on any table. The Springform itself is heavy-gauge steel with a non-stick coating and a patented safe-click K-clasp. The base is a heat-resistant, scratch-proof, and cut-proof glass that can handle oven temperatures up to 440 degrees. Number 2. Fayy 7-inch Springform Pan. If you're unsure how often you'll be baking and are looking for an affordable, quality Springform pan, this Fayy pan is perfect. At $9, you can impress that special someone on Valentine's Day with a homemade dessert, then stow it away with the rest of the kitchen tools you use once a year. Number 1. Hiware 4-inch Mini Springform Pan. Nothing impresses dinner guests more than being served a homemade individual-sized dessert. With the Hiware 4-inch Mini Springform Pan set, you can do just that. These pans are just as reliable and durable as their counterpart featured in the best overall category.